AvPro is proud to present this BEECHCRAFT King Air B200, serial number 1625. The King Air B200 from BEECHCRAFT is regarded as the most successful business aircraft in the world. Since its introduction, the B200 has outsold every other single line of business airplane, jet, or turboprop. The B200 has been extensively updated inside and out to achieve new levels of quietness and comfort. And compared to its jet competitors, the B200 offers unmatched utility. It carries more in a luxurious, comfortable cabin, operates from shorter fields, and costs less to operate. The interior houses an 8-passenger configuration containing a forward 4-place club, with 2 forward-facing chairs as well as a belted lavatory and aft jump seat. Other features include high flotation landing gear, flight in icing conditions, and ADS-B out. The BEECHCRAFT King Air B200, serial number 1625, presented exclusively by AvPro. AvPro, celebrating 30 years of excellence.